What's the meaning of beget? Beget. Beget.
Beget. Beget. The word beget refers to the act of giving birth to or bringing someone or something into existence. It can also mean to cause, produce, or generate something. The term is commonly used in religious texts as it is believed that God begot or created all things in the universe. In a figurative sense, the word can be used to describe the origin or source of something, such as a tradition or belief system. The word beget can also be seen as archaic, as it is not commonly used in everyday conversation, but it remains an important term in literature and poetry.